Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Yo, Rash. I've heard these amazing things are going trending, and I think it'll benefit you on YouTube and stuff like that if you do an unboxing. Now you should know what that is because you live in the 21st century. But
What do you mean unboxing?
well, you see your cards.
Yeah.
You need to unbox it nicely, show all the detail and stuff, and people are getting millions of views just from doing that. So can I pick a deck of cards?
Ooh, that's my collection. Go on.
I like it.
Oh, what's he got? Not too bad. Okay. Oh, okay. So I ordered these ages ago. Set of bicycles, but they are glow in the dark. Good choice. Trusted since 1885. Cards glow under black light. Cards luminate. Oh, it's got it in different languages. I'm presuming cartes lumineras. It's Spanish. Sur lumière noire. Right, no, it's in French. Noir is black in French. Tragic royalty playing cards. Right, let's get straight into it then. Making me ruin my cards. I like them just sitting on my shelf all nice and new. Alright. So you get this little, this is really satisfying, this little bit. Ooh. Now I've got to get a key. The best way to open a deck of cards is to get a knife really and come in here and then slice upwards. Right. Ooh. That feels nice. Right. Oh yeah, the back of this just shows you where they're glowing up. The points on there are where it glows. Okay, so first off we get Princess Place some shit. Edit that out. Get a seat at the table. Card. Oh, that's nice. A double backer. Red one side, white the other. This has got me intrigued. Oh, let me go straight into it. Ace. On the bottom we've got two jokers. That's pretty cool. So one of the jokers has got the bit that lights up in under the black light. The other one hasn't. So you could do an effect like this, and then it just changes and it starts to glow. Let's get rid of the jokers. Right, so ace is pretty cool as well. Bit weird. And all the spades are a bit weird. Right. Okay. So this is where the glow bits come in. They come in on the jack. The faces glow up, I presume. The queen and the king. I like to get a nice fan out of it before I get it dusty, and now I've already put it on the table. Right, let's give it a quick fan. Ooh, I love a brand new deck. Feels so good. Put that up. Oh, they feel so nice. Okay, so all the backs look exactly the same. Anything special? I'm not sure, I might have to do my research on this. Give them a little spring. Ooh. Do they feel like normal bicycles? They feel a bit firmer, to be honest with you. I don't know if that's just psychologically or not. No, ruining my new deck order. Ah! Oh, that's a pretty good one. Look at the King of Hearts and the Queen of Hearts. I'm gonna have to go to a nightclub just to check these out. Right, let's put. Yeah, it's got really cool faces. So the Queen of Diamonds on that one. It's like a mopey face. What marking, I suppose? What would I give them out of 10? I've lost the Ace of Spades, so Spades goes there. Oh, they feel nice actually. Feel really nice. Out of 10. Because of the glow of the dark element, I was going to give them a 7, but because of the glow of the dark element, I don't know, I think it's going to get my creative mind working, so I might give them an 8 out of 10.
Yeah?
Yeah? What do you think, mate?
Well, from the look of them, 8.5 I'll say, but...
8.5. They are quite a nice deck as well. If you was just dressed in... I like to match my cards with what I'm wearing. So, grey pair of jeans, nice pair of Vans. Yeah, they're kind of street, nice hoodie. Yeah. Yeah, I like them. I might actually use them to actually perform on road.
And are you guys looking forward to Christmas? Because if you are, guys, make sure you comment down below the main present you would like for Christmas. And if you want to see our Christmas unboxings, Rash will probably have them on his channel because he's always got a camera.
Camera ready to go.
Yeah. But hope you guys have a nice day, nice night, and hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. So tune in next time for another unboxing of more magic. Magician 33.